Good evening, my dear students. Welcome back to our 100 most important question for class 12 board exam 2026. Today we are going to solve a question number 4 that also I have taken from continuity and differentiability. If you will see the yesterday video, the same chapter, same type of question I have taken, but that question was also most important. And today I have taken these questions. If fx is continuous at x equals to 0, then find the value of a, and fx is 1 minus cos 4x by x square when x less than 0, and fx equals to a when x equals to 0, and fx equals to root x by 16 plus root x minus 4 when x greater than 0. I have to find the value of a, and already they told that fx is continuous at x equals to 0 if any function is continuous at any particular point like x equals to 0. That means LHL limit equals to RHL limit equals to functional value. We know that. So here we will find the LT x tends to 0 minus, that means LHL limit equals to LT x tends to 0 plus, that means RHL limit equals to functional value. So now we will find the LHL limit. What will be the value of LHL limit? LT x tends to 0. X tends to 0 minus means LHL limit. That means the value of x is slightly less than 0. So for that, which function you will take? This function I have to take for LHL limit. That is 1 minus cos 4x. That is 1 minus cos 4x divided by x square. If you will put the value of 0 in this function, you will get again 0 by 0 form, and 0 by 0 form is not defined. So what I have to do? You know one formula, cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This sine square theta will come this side. If you can write it to sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Instead of 2 theta, here is 4 theta. So you can write it to sine square 2 theta. So for that, I can write limit x tends to 0 minus 2 sine square 2 theta by, here is, 2x divided by x square. Now what I have to do? I can write it limit x tends to 0 minus, here you know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1, here is 2x, but here is x only, so I have to make here 2x. So how you will make? To sine square 2x by here you have to write once again. I will write this limit x tends to 0 minus 2 sine 2x by 2x whole square into 4. You can write it. And now we know that limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is 1. So if you will put the value of limit, we will get 2 into 1 into 4. You will get 8. The value of LHL limit is 8. And you know that the functional value will be fx equals to a. Why? Because if you put the value of x is 0, you will get the value of a. So fx will be a. Now I will find the RHL limit. How I will find the RHL limit? RHL limit will be LTX tends to 0. LTX tends to 0 plus. For RHL limit, which function you will take? 0 plus. RHL limit means the value of x is slightly greater than x. So for that function, I have to take this equation. For that function, I have to take this equation. So what is this? This is root x by root under 16 plus root x minus 4. By conjugate, I have to multiply and divide. So I can write it 16 plus root x plus 4 divide by 16 plus root x plus 4. Why I did plus 4? Because in denominator, if the sign will be minus, you have to change in plus. If the sign will be in plus, you have to change in minus. So by conjugate, I multiplied this and I will get that limit x tends to 0 plus here root x into this will come in this bracket 16 plus root x plus 4 is here, and here you will see that there is one identity, and that identity is a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. By this formula we can write it 16 plus root x, because the whole square of this one will be this one. So this is a square minus b square. B is 4. 4 whole square equals to 16. Here same term and the sign is opposite, so same term will be cancelled. Now you can write it limit x tends to 0 plus root x into, sorry, root x and root x also will be cancelled. This root x and this root x will be cancelled. In denominator there is no any term, so you can write it 16 plus root x plus 4, and when you will put the value of the in this function, you will get 16 plus root x means root 0 and plus 4. You will get the root of 16 equals to 4 and plus 4 equals to 8. So LHL limit also I get 8, RHL limit also, and functional value equals to A. So what is the value of A? The value of A will be 8, and A is the right answer. So friends, please share this video to more students that they can get help from this video, and please like, share and comment. Thank you.